The world of finance is changing rapidly, and if you are eyeing a career in finance in 2026, it's essential to understand how this industry is evolving. If you're a student, professional, or even someone looking to make a career switch into finance, stay tuned because this guide will help you plan your next career move in the finance world. Let's start by talking about the finance industry has evolved and why this matters for your future career. The finance sector has always been dynamic, but recent changes, particularly automation, artificial intelligence, and the shift towards digital finance, have completely transformed the landscape. Here's a snapshot of the key changes driving the future of finance. Automation and AI. The rise of AI and automation has led to the automation of routine tasks like bookkeeping, invoicing, and tax calculations. This means professionals will have to focus more on strategic analysis, data interpretation, and decision making rather than handling repetitive tasks. Next up is blockchain. The adoption of blockchain technology is revolutionizing financial transactions, especially in sectors like banking, payments, and investments. It's also creating new job roles in areas like cryptocurrency analysis, blockchain development, and regulatory compliance. Next up is data analytics. Big data is becoming a major factor in financial decision making. With the amount of data available today, data analytics professionals are now essential in helping companies analyze trends, forecast future growth, and make informed decisions. Fintech revolution. The rise of fintech companies have led to the development of new digital financial services, creating opportunities for finance professionals in areas like payments, lending, insurance, technology, and digital asset management. To thrive in the evolving finance market, it's essential to develop the right set of skills. Here are the top skills that will be crucial for finance professionals in 2026. First up is technical skills. Financial modeling. Understanding how to build financial models that analyze past performance and predict future performance is crucial. Next up is blockchain and cryptocurrency. Knowledge of blockchain technology, including cryptocurrency and its applications in finance, will be essential for roles in digital finance. Data analysis. With the rise of big data, professionals who can extract insights from data and use it to drive financial strategies will be high in demand. Cloud computing. As finance moves to the cloud, professionals will need to be proficient in using cloud-based financial systems and understanding cloud-based financial reporting. Soft skills, critical thinking. With automation taking care of routine tasks, professionals will need to focus more on strategic decision making. Critical thinking and problem solving will become key in navigating complex financial challenges. Next up is communication. As finance professionals shift towards more advisory roles, effective communication and presentation skills will be crucial for explaining complex financial data to non-financial stakeholders. Adaptability. Given the rapid changes in technologies, professionals must be adaptable, always open to learning new tools and technologies. Talking about the industry knowledge, sustainability and ESG knowledge. Understanding sustainable finance and how ESG factors affect financial decision making will be a differentiator for candidates in 2026. Regulatory knowledge. As regulations around digital finance and cryptocurrency evolve, staying up to date on compliance regulations will be essential. Now, let's dive into the emergency finance jobs in 2026 that you should be aware of. Fintech specialists. With the fintech industry booming, fintech specialists are needed to drive innovation in digital payments, lending, and insurance. Professionals with knowledge of blockchain, digital banking, and online payments will have a massive edge. Data analysts and financial analysts. As data-driven decision-making becomes the norm, data analysts and financial analysts will continue to be in demand. These roles involve analyzing large volumes of data to find patterns, predict trends, and prove insights from business strategies. ESG analysts. With sustainability becoming more important, there's a rising demand for ESG analysts who can help businesses integrate environmental, social, and governance factors into their financial decisions and reporting. Blockchain financial auditor. Blockchain technology is transforming the finance industry, and as a blockchain financial auditor, you'll play a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy, security, and compliance of blockchain-based financial transactions. This role focuses on auditing digital assets, cryptocurrencies, and smart contracts to maintain transparency and regulatory adherence in decentralized finance systems. Cryptocurrency analysts. As cryptocurrencies continue to grow, companies will need analysts who can evaluate trends in the market, assess risks, and advise on investment opportunities in the cryptocurrency space. Sustainability consultant. Companies are increasingly adopting sustainable finance strategies, creating a demand for professionals who can help businesses assess ESG risks and develop sustainable finance practices. Financial planner advisor. As people's financial needs grow more complex, the role of finance planner will be crucial. These professionals will help individuals and businesses navigate their financial future, focusing on retirement planning, investments, and wealth management. Now that we know the types of finance roles, let's talk about the industries where these opportunities will thrive. Fintech. The fintech industry will continue to grow rapidly in 2026. Companies involved in digital payments, lending, and cryptocurrencies will be seeking skilled professionals to keep up with the demand. Sustainable finance. As ESG becomes a central part of business strategies, the sustainable finance industry will create new jobs in areas like green bonds, impact investing, and sustainable development goals (SDGs). Banking and investment. Traditional sectors like banking, investment management, and financial services will remain strong, with evolving roles in digital banking, asset management, and investment strategies. Corporate finance. In corporate finance, roles related to mergers and acquisitions, financial planning and analysis, and financial risk management will continue to be in demand as businesses navigate post-pandemic economies. Government and regulatory bodies. As regulations become stricter around digital finance and cryptocurrency, regulatory bodies will hire finance professionals to ensure compliance. If you are aiming for a finance job in 2026, here's what you need to do now to prepare. Pursue professional qualifications. Certifications like ACCA, CFA, or CMA will give you a strong foundation in finance. For those looking at more advanced roles, qualifications like CFA or FRM can set you apart. Build technical skills. Learn data analysis tools like Excel, Python, and SQL. Familiarize yourself with financial modeling, blockchain technology, and cloud-based financial systems. Develop soft skills. As finance becomes advisory, developing communications and leadership skills is essential. Employers need professionals who can translate complex financial data into actionable insights for non-financial managers. Stay updated. The finance world is evolving rapidly, so stay updated on regulations, market trends, and emerging technologies in finance. Attend industry events, read up on new tools, and keep learning. To wrap up, finance jobs in 2026 will require a mix of traditional knowledge and tech-driven skills. The demand for data analysis, fintech, ESG knowledge, and blockchain expertise will be at an all-time high. If you are ready to build a future in this dynamic field, now is the time to start preparing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions you have about finance careers in 2026. And remember, FinPlan Edu is here to guide you every step of the way. We can help you choose the best career path, prepare for exams, and gain valuable skills that will give you an edge in the job market. See you in the next video.